Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Womiba Finance channel. Today is a very bright Sunday. All of us, we just came back from church and I just want to do a quick video on this thing. Oh my god. Australia, under the subclass 988, opened a channel for cleaners, housekeepers, a special, for cleaners, housekeepers, front desk, technical people, on board ship, gallery, chef, servers. There's a backlog and there's a shortage of job roles, applicants in Australia and New Zealand because they share the same cuisine, businesses and all that. So under this subclass 988, it is now quicker. Under 2 weeks you might get a reply, so which means that it is the quickest visa because businesses are on hold. Post-COVID, people resigned from their job, people faced different things in life, and we are here now. You can now go to Australia within 30 days. You start your application till you arrive in Australia. If your interest is to work in a ship, they call it cruise ship. Let me just tell you, this job is not stationary job. I don't know whether I'm making sense. I don't know how to, I don't know. It's not the one you go if you have. I'm just saying because so that you don't go there and think you were deceived or something like that. I try to be honest as much as I can. If you've got a family, this might not be for you, because this job is a job that you have to move. You might be in USA this day, you might be in Caribbean island, you might be in get yourself in Australia back, or you might be in Canada, or wherever the ship, or you might be in Jamaica. Wherever the ship goes, you go. It's not the one you go and breastfeed your child, though. You can't do this kind of job. So this job are jobs for people that don't have responsibility they attend to daily, because under 2 months you might see yourself moving from one continent to another. Even you can get yourself in Sicily, Italy, or you can get yourself in Monaco. This is the way it is. So if you want to move like this and you want to get yourself out of wherever you are to this job, and the payments are so good, then stay with me to the end of this video and I'll be telling you all the things you need and the training that you might need, and I'll be right back to help you get started. Thank you so much. See you. Okay guys, we are back. So I want to explain something about these cruise ship jobs, because the Australian government now gave 2 weeks, 14 days for the before it was like from the day you submitted the application till the 90 days, but now is the day you submitted the application till 14 days. So which means the government and the what are they calling it, the business people, the entrepreneur, like the cruise ship owners, are struggling. Business owners are struggling to get people to work for them. Like I said before, this job is not the one you go and go back. So they have a working pattern: 3 weeks on and 2 weeks out. Sometimes it's 6 weeks on and 3 weeks out. So this is not the job if you're breastfeeding a baby. It is not the job if you have like family that are small, that you are the sole carer, like day-to-day carer of your children. No, this is not the kind of job you need. because it's not the job you go to in the morning and go back in the afternoon or ship. There's hospital, there's a bar. It's like a normal environment. There's a hospital, there's a bar, there's a catering service, there's accommodation people, there's personal care job, there's office job, there's entertainers, and there is casino jobs. So when we talk of deck and engine, we are talking of maintenance workers, engineers, or captain, the chief officers, people that drive the ship. Then we talk of catering jobs, we are talking of waiters and waitresses, and bartenders, chefs, and bakers or sous chef, whichever, and butchers. Then we talk of personal care job. We are talking of beauticians, massage therapists, makeup artists, and all that. Then service job are the marketing officers, the gift shop attendants, or the, like, if you have any problem in the ship, you want to get to the office, your office, or you want to get to your home, you know, there are office there that helps you to coordinate or to call your people to make sure that they are good. Then accommodation jobs in this cruise ship is the housekeepers, the cleaners, the receptionists, and the cabin stewards. And this is why this country is struggling, because some crews don't even have one housekeeper or cleaner or cabin crew or receptionist. Like, there are, so people are struggling. That's why the immigration office in Australia is helping the business people to quicken the visa sponsorship, you know, to get people in, people like you, of course, to work in their country or in their business. Then you ask, what are the requirements? This subclass 988, there's no much that is required of a receptionist or a housekeeper other than experience and some training. And I know that most of you people that have been done cleaner, or people in the catering department, or people in the casino, like casino managers and technicians and all that, or the office, the administrative or the data inputs, you know, it's not like then that you need certification to work in the, I know that cleaning, you know, I keep on advising you people, if you find yourself looking to migrate abroad, and maybe the training, I'm not saying you didn't do that training, no. I'm just saying that the training you did might be not what is in the, like, the training you did might not, you know, you might not be given certificate for it, because what happens is this, if, like in Africa, I'm talking as an experienced Nigerian, there are people that do training. I've seen some plumbers, fantastic plumbers, they don't give the certificate of that training. Yes, there are people, even this housekeeping, this thing, people have, you know, people have worked in some 5-star hotels, they don't have certificates. I don't know why is that. Unlike here, you know, here you do infection control, you do course, you do painting, you do how to clean ways and all that. You know, there are many documentations and there are many training every year to renew your mind and what you know about your job. But if you are planning to travel, remember I said there are many training you can do online to get certification. So what means is this, you get certification for that training, just like you do that training and online you get certification. Like now, these people, they need housekeepers. You might, you know, tell them that you have worked as a housekeeper for like 10 years or 5 years and look at your certificate. So and you do for this course every year to make sure that you know what you are doing and to know what you know is going on in your career and all that. You know, it's, you know, imagine you as an interviewer, you interview somebody every year, the person is doing training. So how will you feel with the person? Because this is the person making effort about their career. So if you know that you've worked so many years, that's people will come and tell me, yeah, I've been cleaning in this hotel that is popularly known and I don't have certificate. I said, okay, there's no anybody that will blame you because of the system in place of where you are, but people will blame you if you are seeking to travel abroad and with online training scattered everywhere online, housekeeping training that is not even up to more than $10, that you can't do that, then that you're not showing efforts. So if you are a butcher, or you are a cleaner, or you are a plumber, or you are a healthcare assistant, or you are a casino worker, or you are a receptionist, front desk, or waiters and waitresses, bartenders, and you want to travel with cruise job, please go online and do some training, get certificates, because I know some of you are fantastic clean. I know some cleaners. When I went to Nigeria, I went to this woman's a woman's house. I think my partner took me there. This woman has a cleaner that's come to clean her house, and this girl, she's intelligent. She knows. Like, we sat in this thing when she said no, that she doesn't clean that chair where we sat at that time, that they clean it every once in 2 weeks because of the leather. So she's somebody that knows something about the leather. It's not like people chemical everywhere. No, this one, you have to know what you are doing. So you have to go online. There are many training. I will not recommend anyone. Just type online housekeeping online training. You will see. Even there are ones I saw yesterday, because I've got people I'm preparing to travel as well. It's not only you people. I'm preparing like 3 women to travel. So I told them to do. There's one we saw £4.50, which is around 5,000 something. So it's not even. It shouldn't be big. And there are ones you can even see $399. Yes, go and check. There are many training. There's even free one. But now the free one, after you've done it, they say certificate. You have to pay for certificate. That's when you know that it's not really free. So there are many training that you can do, my dear. So go and check it out and do online. So then, where can you get these cruising jobs? Then I will tell you now. So number one, we have jobbo.org. So Australian, for Australian jobs, cruise jobs with visa sponsorship. Number two, we have auindeed.com. Then in this website, there's like this morning, there's over 400 cruise job that came in within 24 hours to tell you that the way they are struggling. So if you want to travel to Australia within 21 days, this is your best bet. Go and apply for jobs. They need help. In fact, there are cruises that didn't move when scheduled time because there's no staff. Yes, go and read online. You will see for yourself. Then number 3 is Visa Jobs Headquarters. So all these jobs with visa sponsorship and how to go about it, they are there. Number 4 is Cruise Jobs. The current jobs are there for you to see the one that you like. Then Medax, this one are the company that employ like caregivers that work in the ship, because obviously you people will be traveling for 6 weeks. There should be a doctor, there should be a nurse, there should be a caregiver. So if you're a caregiver and you want to work in, remember I said it's 6 weeks on, 3 weeks holiday off, is 4 weeks on, 10 days off. Is that the job you will carry your children to go? Or you say you're traveling to Australia? That no, it's not the kind of job. This job will take you everywhere in the world. Will take you to Mediterranean Sea. Will take you to USA. Will take you to Italy. Will take you to Monaco. Will take you to Canada. Will take you everywhere there's ocean. Yes, will take you to Caribbean island. So it's not the job that you will go today and go back home. Even if somebody die in your house, you will not. The ship will not return. Yeah, because of you. I'm just telling you the disadvantages of this job. That's the only disadvantages. But then, what are you getting? That's 6 weeks, free medical care, free food, free accommodation, and some perks You know, it's rich man thing. Yes, for you to go to cruise, the one we went like 5 years ago is more than £6,000. Yes, it's not thing for small children. Yes, it's big money. So they have to have pharmacy shop and everything in the ship. So if this thing interests you, then give it a trial. Within 21 days, your visa will be processed and you have to go. So your visa requirements are just the basic: your certificate, your job offer letter, your passport. Remember what I said about passport? I will not be repeating it. Go and get the one with 10 years. And your photographs and all that. That's all. You apply for this job. Once you get the offer letter, you go and apply for your visa. That's all you need. That's all. So I'll be wishing you good luck. And I know that you people are intelligent and you will do well in this job. So bye-bye from me and from Womiba Finance Channel. So see you in the next video. And if you have any problem, you know where to come to. WTP, of course. And we will help with this. It's not only me. People can help you. We'll help you and to make it easier for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget, subscribe, share with your family, friends, colleagues, peers, and your partners. Then share in your social media platform to keep us here, because we would love to be bringing so many things that are good to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye bye from me. Bye.